Today I have something special for you. I'm introducing you to my very first motorcycle. It is a 1981 Yamaha Virago XV750 with a 920 swap. The bike has come a long way to looking like this. It certainly did not look like this when I first bought it. Insert picture here, insert picture here, and I'll just take a few pictures before we go for a ride. Click. 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 Not click. And click. So where do I start? I bought this bike in October of 2014. During this time, I never even knew how to ride yet. So I had a motorcycle before learning how to ride. I knew I was going to be riding. I was going to take lessons early next season. So why not? Just go shopping for a bike. I did a lot of research. I wanted the bike to be very easy to ride as my first bike. I wanted it to be low. I wanted to have low seat height, just to have some confidence riding. So again, did my research. The Virago kind of fit the bill. I couldn't spend any amount of money on it, only because this riding thing wasn't a sure thing yet. I may not like it, so I wanted a cheap bike that I can possibly work on and just learn on. A good starter bike. So after doing all my research on a bike that'll suit me as a first bike, I came up to the XV750, and it's crazy. I was never into that cruiser look whatsoever. I did not want that to be my bike. I didn't think it looked cool. But then a quick little search on these bikes turned up a huge amount of cafe racers. Just do a Google image search and you search a bike like the Virago, and most of the pictures are modified. There's not a whole lot that is stock, so I thought, wow, this looks like a good looking bike. And really at the beginning I had no idea what it looked like originally, because all these cafe racers just started popping up, and I thought, my gosh, I love the look. I was I mean, cafe racers, I've heard of the term, but I never knew anything about them. Again, I was never a motorcyclist, so I fell in love with the look. This was back in 2014, somewhat on the height, well, maybe at the tail end of the big cafe racer trend, before all the manufacturers started bringing out all these retro bikes. forgot to tighten up this mirror. I'll end this video right here before it gets too long. This will be a multi-part series of the bike. I have a lot more to say, and I have a lot of footage that I can make a video of. So if you want to keep watching and you want to see more of this bike, click like and subscribe and maybe comment. And see you on the next video. Cheers.